Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Unit 14, Present Indefinite Tense. In this lesson we shall learn the use of present indefinite tense and how to apply it in our spoken language. There are different uses of present indefinite tense, like it can be used for showing past and sometimes future. In this lesson we shall learn a very simple and daily life use of present indefinite tense, which is showing or describing daily life or habitual activities. Daily life actions. So it means that we can use present indefinite tense to show daily life routine or habitual actions. Please observe the following examples. I wake up at 7 in the morning. It's a daily life action. The above sentence tells us about when a person usually wakes up. In this sentence I'm talking about an ordinary day in my life. Observe the next sentence. I visit my uncle twice a week. In this sentence I'm not describing a daily life action. Instead I'm describing a habitual action which I do twice a week. In both of the examples there is no time mentioned. I mean to say that both of the sentences do not show any time, because when I say I wake up at 7 in the morning, I'm not talking about yesterday, today or tomorrow. Actually I'm talking about every time. This means that this action was present in past, it is present in present, and most probably it will be in future. So remember that when you want to express daily life routine or habitual action, use present indefinite tense. When you use present indefinite tense to show daily life routine or habitual actions, it does not show any time. Instead it shows all of the times. Now we look at structure of present indefinite tense affirmative sentences, and the structure is subject plus verb's first form plus object. And remember one thing, that when you have third person singular at the place of subject, so you have to add s or es with verb's first form. So this rule is only for third person singular, when you have third person singular at the place of subject. For example, I eat 2 eggs every day. So there is no s or es with verb eat, you can see. And observe sentence B. He eats 2 eggs every day. So in this sentence he eats 2 eggs every day, we have added s with the first form of verb eat, because the subject is third person singular. So always remember this rule, that when you have third person singular as a subject, you must add s or es with the main verb. This rule of adding s or es is only for third person singular, and it does not apply to other persons. Here a question arises, with which verbs we add s and with which verbs we add es? The usual rule is to add s. For example, he drinks 2 cups of coffee every day. So the usual rule is to add s, right? But if a verb ends at sh, ch, s, o or x, we have to add es with such kind of verbs. For example, he teaches. So the verb teach ends at ch. That is why we have added es instead of adding s. Some verbs end with y. If a verb ends with vowel plus y, for example play, we will only add s. But if a verb ends with consonant plus y, for example fly, we will change y into I and then add es. For example, fly, he flies a kite. So this rule, remember that. So y case, those verbs which end at y, they have such kind of rules that I've just told you. So again I would like to inform you not to add s or es with any other person, even with third person plural. This rule of adding s or es is only for third person singular.